While doing some shopping in a grocery store the other day, I was meandering here and there, and I ended up in the cookie aisle. And I thought, wow, look at all these different kinds of cookies. Lady walked up to me and said, have you ever tried cookies from Pepperidge Farm? I said, yes, I have tried one or two. She said, you should try them again. They're better than they used to be. I'm thinking, better than they used to be? And we started talking, and I told her that I like to do taste test videos for YouTube. So she said, pick one out. I said, no, tell you what, you pick one out, and I will do it. I will do the taste test. And she said, okay. And she picked one out. What did she pick out for me? There's so many different kinds. What did she pick out? We'll find out in just a moment. Hey people, how are we doing today? It's time for a brand new video. A brand new ultimate taste test video. What am I going to try? I'm going to try the Pepperidge Farm Milano Mint Chocolate Cookies. Now, if they look anything near as good looking as these pictures, I'm in big trouble. They're easy to open, and easy is a relative term, and they are foil lined on the inside, and each one comes in their own little paper tray. See them down in there? Wow! You can smell the chocolate and the mint. And it doesn't smell like a cheap mint. Oh, let me get one out. Look at that thin little beauty. Thin and crispy. I bet. We'll find out if they're crispy. Ready? These cookies are thin and crisp, and a nice crunch to them. And they complement with chocolate and mint that's on the inside. These are absolutely delicious. Now, if these are better than they were before, then what did they taste like before? I think it's time to rate it. What do I rate these? There's only one rating it could be. They're not absolutely perfect, because to me it needs a little more chocolate and mint in it. It needs to be a little thicker and, well, yeah, a little more thicker in the middle. But I'm not taking off for much because they're still delicious. So, I'm giving it a 9.25. They are delicious, but there's a little, not enough of the good stuff. The cookies are nice, really nice, they're crisp and thin, but I think it needs more filling. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you're new to this channel and you like what you see, then by all means, join us. Join with us. Resistance is futile. Where have I heard that before? Who knows? And if you like this video enough, you can share this with your friends. You can share it with co-workers. You can share it with disbelievers. I'm not sure where that came from either. Oh, and if you have any suggestions on what Pepperidge Farm product I should try next, put them in the comment section below. I'll read them. And as always, if you wish, you may write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.